Video 3. In Brutalist, the code is the cheap part. The AI writes Remotion all day. What's scarce is knowing the shelf, so you reach for the right thing. So we're taking inventory, 367 open source Remotion templates, a few every video. Onda leads. This video, Onda 41 to 59. These are Onda, a premium Remotion component set. MIT licensed, installed as source you own, not a black box dependency, with one signature motion language across the whole catalog. Thank you, Onda. We felt 59 of their 70 were useful for us. You can find the rest, and full credit, at github.com/degueba/Onda. Number 41, the Onda Terminal. Reach for it when a CLI demo with command plus output, install, deploy, dev tool walkthrough. Number 42, the Onda CodeBlock. Reach for it when a static code snippet, install commands, examples, config. Number 43, the Onda CodeDiff. Reach for it when showing a code change, before, after, PR walkthrough, changelog highlight. Number 44, the Onda MatrixDecode. Reach for it when a one-shot reveal where the text decoding is the moment, short strings only, long lines drown the effect. Number 45, the Onda NodeGraph. Reach for it when showing a system of relationships around one center, integrations, ecosystem, X powers everything. Not a chart. It's a metaphor. Number 46, the Onda DynamicGrid. Reach for it when the scene reads as dashboard, data, dev. A grid signals technical without competing. Number 47, the Onda ProgressSteps. Reach for it when an ordered flow with an active position, onboarding, checkout, install. Number 48, the Onda SplitScreen. Reach for it when two things shown side by side as equals, before, after, comparison, code, and result. Number 49, the Onda VideoClip. Reach for it when any video footage, B-roll, recorded demo, talking head, the default, for a UI capture, wrap-in device frame or browser frame. Number 50, the Onda AudioClip. Reach for it when any audio in the composition, music, voiceover, SFX. The default, pair with Audio VideoClip only when the audio should be seen. Number 51, the Onda AudioVisualizer. Reach for it when the audio needs to be visible on screen, podcast clip, music drop, voiceover hero shot, always pair with audio clip for actual playback. Number 52, the Onda Captions. Reach for it when synced subtitles over voiceover or video, transcripts, AI voiceover, talking head clips. Pass a timed array, not for static text. Number 53, the Onda PulsingIndicator. Reach for it when a quiet "This is live" badge that should keep breathing, recording dot, status pill, online tag. Number 54, the Onda Confetti. Reach for it when a literal celebration, milestone hit, sign-up confirmation, launch reveal. Once per piece, not per scene. It caches the moment in. Number 55, the Onda RgbGlitchText. Reach for it when the text itself should feel unsettled. Cyberpunk, hacker reveal, gaming bumper. Pair with the chromatic aberration transition. Number 56, the Onda GradientShift. Reach for it when the simplest moving backdrop, flat or near-flat scenes that need life. Number 57, the Onda GrainOverlay. Reach for it when the whole piece should feel filmic, a top-of-stack overlay that quietly warms everything beneath it. Pair freely, never the focal element. Number 58, the Onda Vignette. Reach for it when the eye should drift towards center of frame, film hero, focused interview. Pair with GrainOverlay for full filmic dressing. Number 59, the Onda CameraShake. Reach for it when an impact moment needs physical weight, explosion, drop, score, reveal. A wrapper, not a layer. Place around the thing that should feel hit. That completes Onda templates 41 to 59, all 59 of the set. That's every Onda template. Next video opens a new library. Same deal, a few at a time, 367 in all. Nick Bear Brown, the Brutalist template library, a few at a time.